Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you the hair oiling routine that transformed my hair. When I tell you my hair has literally came a long way, if you've been watching me from the beginning, then you know at one point in time, my scalp used to be so red, raw, flaky with dandruff. I thought I was gonna have to see a dermatologist, but I never did. At another point in time, I had to cut my hair basically into an elongated pixie because my hair was just so damaged. It had locked up in teeny tiny locks all over. Yeah, like I literally been through with my hair, but this one little addition, one little change to my routine changed the game for me. And the best thing about it is all you need is one thing, and it's very inexpensive. So if you're interested and you want to see what I'm talking about, keep watching. Go ahead and grab your snack, grab your drink, and let's go ahead and get into it. The secret ingredient we're using today is coconut oil. I like to just get any brand from the grocery store and pour it into a travel size container. This is going to make it easier for us to put the coconut oil on our hair. I have also melted the coconut oil for 1 minute in the microwave. I'm gonna start by going over my scalp in the front. This used to be my problem area. I would have, like I said, just big patches of scaly dandruff. It would be red. It was so uncomfortable and so embarrassing. So if you struggle with dandruff, just really bad, flaky, itchy scalp, coconut oil is gonna be your best friend. You don't need any sort of medicated shampoo, any sort of special shampoo. When I used those, they did not help, and some even made it worse. Coconut oil is the only thing that actually worked for my scalp issues that I was having. And also coconut oil is really good for your hair as well. I like to massage it into my hair, and I am applying a lot. If you cannot tell, like I am drenching my hair in the coconut oil. This is going to condition your hair. This is going to provide a protective barrier on your hair when you go to shampoo your hair and help to reduce breakage. The way coconut oil is structured, it makes it easily able to penetrate into your hair more so than any other oil. That's why all you need is coconut oil. If you do not like coconut oil, which I know a lot of people don't, I would encourage you to just try it. Just try it one time, especially if you're experiencing scalp issues or severe breakage and you're trying to grow your hair out. I do have an alternative that I'm going to show you in a few seconds towards the end of the video. So if you don't want to use coconut oil or you want to ease into it and try something a bit lighter, I have another solution for you as well. Once I'm done, I'm going to put on my shower cap because I am going to treat this as a hot oil treatment and sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is the dryer that I like to use. It is basically, it's like a heated cap almost that connects to its own heating element per se. I don't have to hook up my dryer to it. It has its own heating element. I like to use this for conditioning and hot oil treatments because it's really compact and you can feel the heat directly on your scalp. I can feel the heat a little bit better in this more so than my hooded dryer. And once we're done, all I'm gonna do is shampoo my hair. This does not leave your hair or scalp oily at all because I'm going to do a good job at shampooing my hair with a nice shampoo that actually cleans my hair. Next, we're moving on to the Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil by OGX. This is more so of like a serum-y consistency type of oil, and I like to do this the night before wash day. I avoid my scalp with this one and apply this directly to my hair. You are going to see me massaging my scalp a little bit later, but that is not to apply this to my scalp because this is a serum. This is just to kind of of warm up my scalp, give my scalp some extra blood flow and a scalp massage. I like this oil because this is lighter. This is something that you can do like during the nights of the week to maintain your hair and give your hair some extra moisture and conditioning. You can do this on wash day if you don't want to do the actual coconut oil like I did, or if you are scared that the coconut oil is going to like give you some sort of buildup, you can use this instead. And really, guys, I don't experience buildup with either of these, the coconut oil or like this OGX oil, because I wash my hair. So if you do a good job at really washing your hair and taking your time, you shouldn't have any buildup with either. Here is what my hair looks like after I've applied that miracle oil. As you can see, it is a little weighed down, but not as much as it was with the actual oil, showing you that this is a bit of a lighter treatment. If you still want to do the coconut oil, have the extra conditioning, but not go all the way in with the pure coconut oil like I did, let me know which routine you'll be trying. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to let me know what products you want me to try, what videos you want to see next, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.